This is a 360-degree journey through the Asahi Inochi no Mori forest in Fuji City, Shizuoka Prefecture, Japan. The Asahi Inochi no Mori is a man-made forest approximately 1 hectare in size, created on the site of a former factory in Asahi Kasei. 17 years ago, in 2007, forest saplings were planted with the cooperation of the Asahi Kasei Group, Asahi Kasei Homes employees, as well as the local community. This journey will take you to several locations in the forest. We aimed to recreate the original landscape of the Taganora area of Fuji City, Shizuoka Prefecture. In the beginning, a survey was conducted for about 2 years before the forest was created to select tree species, and in order to develop a diverse vegetation and ecosystem, the topography of the forest, including differences in elevation and water areas, was considered in making the forest as diverse and close to its original form as possible. Our forest reflects the original habitat of the Taganora area. We recreated a natural ecosystem which was once a former factory site, and today, characteristic vegetation such as natural forests, Satayama forests, grasslands, wetlands, rice fields, streams and ponds have been nurtured, while unique biotopes contribute to the conservation of the biodiversity of the region. Here you can see just some of the insects and birds that inhabit our forest. These include frogs, fish, birds and butterflies. And now we're going to go through some of the areas of this forest. Here's a paddy field in the middle of the forest. Beyond the paddy field is a wetland. And now we're in the Satayama forest, a natural forest and shaded area to the east of the paddy field. The water at the mouth of this river comes from an underground aquifer whose source is Mount Fuji. Now, for the next few minutes, let's experience the different sights and sounds that change as the day progresses. We're conducting research with a local university with the aim of researching how the forest contributes to the local environment. Currently, 3 areas, the Satayama forest, natural forest and wetland, continue to carry out research, and various surveys of insects, birds and other species are carried out throughout the year. The forest is currently in the first phase as a site approved by the Ministry of the Environment in October 2023 as an initiative towards the 30 by 30 biodiversity conservation target. And in August 2012, the forest was registered in the international database as an OECM, an area contributing to biodiversity conservation outside protected areas. As the forest grows and matures, we will continue to conduct research and nurture our forest. The Asahi Kasei Group and Asahi Kasei Homes Group are committed to working together with our customers to contribute to the environment through our long-life business activities, which support our customers' lives, lifestyles and livelihoods. We will continue to develop environmentally friendly measures with our customers and other stakeholders through our business activities to pass on a rich global environment to future generations and to build a leading company in environmental contributions. Thank you for watching.